Be ready. Start. This is the first Rojgar Mela job fair of 2023. 2023 has started with new hopes for a bright future. It is a new gift of happiness for those 71,000 families whose members have got the opportunity to serve the government. I congratulate all the youth and their families. Today's event will infuse a new ray of hope not only among the successful candidates but also in crores of families. Lakhs of people are going to get appointments in government jobs in the near future. Along with the central government, a series of job fairs are being organized in NDA and BJP ruled states as well. Just yesterday, the Assam government organized a job fair. I am told that job fairs are going to be held in many states like Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Uttarakhand in the near future. These ongoing job fairs have now become the identity of our government. This shows the commitment of our government to fulfill the resolution it takes. You would recall the first job fair was organized last year on the auspicious occasion of Dhanteras. Today, I also got an opportunity to interact with some young colleagues who got government service at the job fair. The sense of happiness and satisfaction is clearly visible on their faces. Most of them belong to very ordinary families, and there are many youths who are the first members of the family to get government job in the last 5 generations. They are happy not because they have got a government job, but they are also satisfied that their merit has been taken into consideration because of the transparent and fair recruitment process. All of you must have also realized that there has been a vast change in the recruitment process. The recruitment process in central services has become more streamlined and time bound than before. Friends, the transparency and speed that you have noted in the recruitment process is visible in every activity of the government. There was a time when regular promotions were also hampered due to various reasons. Our government has resolved various disputes. There are a lot of court cases. Our government has demonstrated commitment to restore the promotions that were stalled for a long time. Recruitment and promotion in a transparent manner instills confidence in the youth. This transparency motivates them to enter the competition with better preparation. Our government is continuously working in this direction. For those who have received the appointment later today, it is a new journey in life. Being an important part of the government, your active participation in the journey of a developed India will be a special responsibility. Most of you will deal directly with the people as representatives of the government. Each one of you will impact people's lives in your own way. You must have heard this in the business world that consumer is always right. Similarly, our mantra in governance should be citizen is always right. This spirit strengthens our tendency to serve. You should never forget that when you are appointed in the government, it is called government service and not a job. It is called a job in the private sector. When in the government it is said you serve. You should consider yourself fortunate to get an opportunity to serve the 140 crore of countrymen. You have got an opportunity in life, and if you work with that feeling, then it will have a positive influence on the people, and you too will enjoy your work. You just saw that many of our government employees, the Karmayogi brothers, are taking online training, digital training platform. I got Karmayogi is helping them prepare for the future. Apart from the official training programs, there are many other courses on this platform which will give a fillip to your personal potential. These courses help in the development of your personality, and there is a gradual progress in the depth of your thinking. I believe that self learning through technology is an opportunity for today's generation. Therefore, do not let it go. The urge to keep learning continuously in life is what drives us to move forward. I always say that I never let the student in me die. You should keep learning something or the other continuously, no matter wherever you reach. It will increase your capacity, will increase the capacity of the institute you are associated with, and India's capacity will increase with all these efforts. In the fast changing India, employment and self employment opportunities are continuously being created in the country, and when development picks up pace, self employment opportunities start to emerge in abundance, which India is experiencing today. Today, the field of self employment is progressing a lot. Lakhs of employment opportunities have been created in the last 8 years due to the development of infrastructure on a large scale. The 100 lakh crore rupees investment in infrastructure is opening doors to immense employment opportunities. As you are aware, when a new road is built, new avenues of employment also start forming around it. New markets develop on the side of the same road, and different kinds of shops open. The products of the farmers reach the market easily due to the road. Similarly, when a place is connected to a new railway line, the market there starts to prosper. Due to the convenience of movement, tourism also starts expanding, and with every such expansion, new possibilities of employment develop. Today, broadband connectivity is being provided to every village through the BharatNet project. When we connect villages with the rest of the world through the internet, new employment opportunities start to emerge. A person who does not understand technology also knows that the work for which earlier he had to run here and there can now be done in one click on mobile phone or computer. We often find that many times he seeks the help of a technology expert to take advantage of this facility. New possibilities of employment are being created due to this need of the common man. Today, many such entrepreneurs are running their business by providing online services to the people even in villages, towns, or cities. Today, the way people are starting startups in small towns of India, it has become a center of attraction and self-confidence for the new generation. The success of the startup has created a worldwide recognition of the potential of youth power. Most of the young sons and daughters belong to very ordinary families. You have worked hard to reach this position. Your parents have also taken great pains. Today, you have got the opportunity to serve 140 crore countrymen. But always keep alive the same spirit within you which inspired you to reach here. Always keep learning, always upgrade your skills, and keep trying to grow. I wish you all the best. You should be successful, but our country should also be successful. You should move forward, but at the same time, our country should also move forward. And to take the country forward, you also have to move forward. You also have to be capable and competent to take the country forward. Keep on making progress and also fulfill the responsibility given to you in the best manner. My best wishes to you.